I'm staying at the Eurostars Grand Marina Hotel down at the port in Barcelona, and I'm just going to let you take a look at the room. This is just a standard room, and I did prepay this. I just needed a quick option to get out of the marathon route. So here's a look around the room. One thing about this hotel, it has the light switch that requires a key card. I wondered why they gave me 2 cards when I checked in. This, I think it's a little dressing area. There's a little vanity, and I haven't opened all this, see what's in here. Looks like a dry cleaning option. That does not open, neither does this. And then there's some glasses. There's a mini bar. I thought it was a fridge, but it's a mini bar. So all those items are for sale, and I'm sure at a premium price. And that's the cabinet door to that. This little thing, I guess that's shoe storage. If you were going to be here a while, they do have these nice little steamers, which that is a steamer iron. Now I can't fix it, but anyway, I can get it back up there. Okay, all right, don't want to have to pay for that. You do have robes and slippers, and then this closes off. And I don't know about all these closing doors. So that is a pocket door, and it closes off for whatever reason. And then you come down this hallway, and here's the restroom. Vanity, double vanity, some, I don't know, hand soap, and what is that, lotion. And then you have a comb, looks like a toothbrush, a shower cap, glasses, mirror, the usual stuff. And then here's the shower and toilet, bidet, and they have a shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And just a note about Save Our Planet. They do recycle everything here in Barcelona, and it has the shower head as well as the shower massage option. And there's a telephone here in the bathroom in case you need to make a call. And this door also closes off. So you can have all of that for privacy. And then here is the main room. And I thought this was odd. I thought it had a closet in here. But it has another pocket door that closes for privacy. So I don't know. Maybe the rooms are noisy or not. I don't know. I guess I'll find out tonight. Has a side table. I don't see any charging solutions. I have been staying in an Airbnb, and I had all the adapters. I think I have one in my suitcase. This, I guess, is a king-size bed. It's actually 2 twins pushed together here. And then there's a little side chair. And an Nespresso machine, some water, a teapot over on the back side, and just some drawer space. They have a couple Nespresso packets and a couple of side chairs and a table, a little vanity area over here, which is kind of nice, and the desk, phone, And they do have USBs over here, so you could charge your phone without an adapter. And then they have a menu. They do have breakfast here. If you buy it when you walk in or check in, it's $28. I mean $25. If you buy it the day of, it's $28. And it looks like they have a restaurant here, and it's fairly pricey. Desserts about $9. Tuna sandwiches, $22. I don't think I'll be eating here tonight. I'll probably find something better. Some more authentic food. And that's about it. Oh, I do have a balcony in this room, which I'm right at the port. So if you look, really, if you focus in between those two buildings over there, you can see the ocean, as well as through these two buildings. And I don't know what that is. It looks like a patio breakfast area down there. And I don't know, lots of seating around. So maybe that's for the restaurant. But anyway, I just got here, haven't had a chance to really explore. And like I say, I'm only going to be here one night. So this is more than enough space for me. I really wasn't sure what the rooms would look like. Someone said these are nice in New York City, but usually very pricey. But the price was not bad at all, considering that there's a huge marathon and those runners are taking up a lot of the hotel space. So anyway, I think I've solved my little issue with the road blockage. So I'm going to get settled in. Some more to come.